lesson, we will add rational expressions that have the same denominator. So recall when you first learned how to add or subtract fractions, probably was sometime in elementary or early middle. And recall the rules were to simply add the top and keep the bottom. So for example, if you were adding this fraction of 5/12 plus 2/12, all you had to do was just simply add the top, 5 plus 2, which gave you 7, keep the denominator of 12, and so your answer was 7/12. And in this case, you were done because 7/12 cannot be simplified any further. The same goes if you wanted to subtract those same two fractions. You would still do the same, but this time subtract. So you would subtract the top, 5 take away 2, which is 3, keep your denominator of 12, so that would give you 3/12. And then 3/12 is a fraction which have to be reduced, so when you simplify and take the common factor of 3 out, what you're left with is an answer of 1/4. And so that is normally how you would add or subtract fractions that have the same denominator. So we're going to apply that same concept with rational expressions. Okay, so let's go over the rules for adding rational expressions. Step 1, add the numerators just as you would a fraction, and place that result over their common same denominator. Next, you're going to cancel out any common factors that the numerator and the denominator have in common. And then lastly, simplify and write your answer in lowest terms. So let's begin with step 1. We're going to add the top, the numerator, 4m plus 5m equals 9m. So I'm going to place that 9m over the common denominator of 3n. Step 2, I want to cancel out any common factors. So if I look inside 9, I know there's 3 times 3 is 9. So I can cancel out a common factor of 3 because I also have a 3 at the bottom. So canceling out the common factor of 3 from the top and bottom will leave me with an simplified answer of 3m over n.